Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Flow. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you block unknown numbers, messages, and video calls on WhatsApp. It's simple, and I'll walk you through step by step. Before we start, I'm on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot. Let's get started. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings, tap Privacy. This is where you can control who sees your information. Adjust your privacy options. Set last seen and online to my contacts or nobody. For profile photo and about, limit them to my contacts or nobody. Never leave them on everyone. Under groups, choose my contacts only. For status, you can select my contacts or customize it to share with specific people only. Doing this makes it harder for random people to find or contact you. Blocking unknown numbers. Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't allow you to completely block all unknown numbers at once, but you can block individuals easily. Just open the chat from the unknown number, tap on their profile, and select block. Once blocked, they can't call or message you again, and that's it. While you can't turn off unknown calls completely, tightening your privacy settings and blocking numbers as they appear gives you the best protection. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.